we are ready for a new hair adventure. I bought Arctic Fox this time. It is my first time using this brand, and we'll see how it goes. This is Arctic Fox Ritual, which I think is like a dark red burgundy. You will see how it goes over my virgin medium brown hair, over my once bleached brown hair, and over my double bleached and still a little bit purple from the last dye I did a month and a half ago here. Hopefully it'll all go to one color. I've got my workspace set up. I've got a garbage bag over the sink area to protect it and be able to just throw my stuff. I've got baby wipes on the ready in case I get something on my skin. I am going to use conditioner on all the skin and my ears and my neck and my forehead. They do recommend petroleum jelly. I just hate the stuff. And I've got a comb to comb through it when I'm ready, and of course gloves and a towel and clothes that you don't really care much about. So let's go. Oh yes, look at that. Gonna be a great color for Valentine's Day. Seems like a nice easy dispenser. You could just squeeze that under your hand and just put on. You'll see I do the shampoo in, massage in method. Very easy, no sectioning required. Oh yes, it is gonna be so pretty. It's nice and thick. Massage it in there, comb it through, call it a day. Wow, it's like really gross. There's no crazy smells because the chemicals are so minimal, if any. This is a semi-permanent color, which I almost always do because they have no ammonia or peroxide. They don't damage your hair because there's no like processing. The color just goes on top and then washes out gradually. Sometimes it stays forever, but usually it just comes out eventually. This is cruelty-free and vegan. Love that. Okay, we are going to be done. If you have medium or long hair, I would buy 2 or even 3 tubs to be safe that you have enough. Oh my gosh. And then get this wiped off ASAP. Yikes, yikes. I'm gonna wash my hands and do more cleanup. It says leave on at least half an hour, and it actually recommends covering with a shower cap and heat treating with a hairdryer. I don't have a shower cap, so I'm gonna try saran wrap just to let my head kind of heat it up. It's harder than the actual hair dye. Get a shower cap. I mean, wait. Are we good? Anyway, I'm gonna go an hour like this, wash it out, and check back in. It's really hard to get it to run clear. Just do the best you can. It is dark, but it's all one color, and that's exciting. Since I still got my garbage bag down to catch the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bang trim while we're at it. Yes, so fun. Ooh. Pro tip, if you're gonna blow dry your hair after the first dye, you haven't shampooed it or anything, wear your gloves. Here we are, the grand reveal. I love the change. It's dark, it's dramatic. It makes my roots way less obvious. It did dye the unbleached brown hair up here. It's very, very lightly tinted, and then it darkened and then dyed the bleached parts. But it has like this great blend rather than the really harsh, nasty lines that it had before. So I love the change. It's gorgeous. And like I said, it's a great color for Valentine's Day. Be sure you're subscribed. I do lots of fun things with different hair colors and haircuts on myself and my kids and all that stuff. It's just hair. I like to have fun with it. And if you do too, or if you need some inspiration, that's what I'm here for. Stay tuned for more. Go grab your favorite color and go have some fun with your hair.